Are you ready to spice up your taste buds? Discover the vibrant flavors of Eritrea with these must-try dishes. First up, we have zigni. Think slow-cooked beef stew simmered in a rich blend of spices. It's hearty, fiery, and absolutely irresistible. Next on the list is injera, the national dish of Eritrea. This spongy sourdough flatbread doubles as a plate and a utensil. Tear off a piece and scoop up your favorite stew or salad. It's a flavor explosion in every bite. And don't miss out on shiro. Made from ground chickpeas and simmered with spices, this creamy dish is comfort food at its finest. Perfect for vegetarians and meat lovers alike. Finally, we have tsebi, a traditional stew that comes in many varieties. Well, whether it's chicken, lamb or lentil, each version is packed with unique flavors and aromatic spices that will leave your taste buds dancing. So next time you're looking for a culinary adventure, remember these top Eritrean dishes. They'll add a dash of excitement and a whole lot of flavor to your foodie journey.